Odia maudo biso nsamo yakeke se ne awie yeba na yede ebabeso mo keka ne mese ne a ene fiada November bosume de toso eye edunum na kese bosume November no a yewura mu no ya wamu pepepe yenim se otwedi ampo nyankrompo no hyenyuma passe no wode bekwaye pakwan bia so wode ye betwa bosume no akowura December bosume no mu na afisu so no wode ye akwakugu ensamo a eba opata bebre se paso che wo mayimu a ewie yakeke se ne ne se kase na ba bia wo bia ne ye ba ne de aba besomo edo so pa na poso eni Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia egusu aprobom e wa sentimentama say Sompa FM ne Sompa TV nsem chefo ye ni edi akire ye ba wura na ba bia ona mawie no yakọwe nsem epipi ho no mo
Mampanye Dada Roger Dramani Muhammad ya tuja wasasi abato skirt and blouse so awa fi abato mu no wasrada adwebreo
Mami Lordina Mahama soso eye Mampanye Dada John Dramani Mahama gonja de sekonkro teja tanguma so pro soro wedie eja ne ho kania one ne da bom sorry bom didi bom jari bom ye bibia bom watia siba santama se ya ono soso asha probase na proboko se ni
electoral commission anabo wo mo samrani wase wo mo no se wo hwa bebremu hanmu a abana dwumako baako a wodi mu pa so wode papa ye adwuma electoral commission wo mo ne dikan
ora hasana yarega soso akantama densi awiabo agusu akotafre na batwe se nyankopon ye na dom no odi nkonim se mampani a wa obeyu minister na se so afọ abedi ekira obedi sika no obechiwatum amembra ene wadi
special prosecutor so dia tudwa atrose nyame no kwasem ni akade ne nyoma hodo bia yadaba ko kata shapra ya jurum die ne kankan no Ghana ya kechi
abuzia weni afufro pinua ne yakeke se ne se kase a bia wo bia na wie yeba na yede ababesom asra piesie yemfa emanyumeku akese
ayo through Herbal Center 21st Clinic eno achi mizo ana 5G Express Group ka ho yadamu nyina mo ase adamu ase cloud internet the fastest internet in the world and afeso pacha de mo so mo ka ho bi eneso yade kase boy ababesom na se nyumeku a one more time chiji ababa arono yadam live Facebook and afa YouTube no so maramfi sansam no pebe no wakenkan feed gadochia aya www.sompaonline.com wokwa obenya bi no wakenkan asomfo banu anafie kofi ne afiada yatena se bakenkan samye kwaje sesu chama ade amao midin ene akosia aje wakode boaten miniminia
nana ya obo amalibi aboga abza for yen shas yen femfra manyo semu na yen fomo enkwa bato Ghana for ye bobo en ho aka yen sako no sananum nsia kwa koto no December boso me de to so enso no mo se o plus time say ekeka ne mesi ani a aka ne fo no be aduonum yenu 22 days na Ghana for ye bobo en ho ne yakwa koto aba ne sa ama manyo kwa wudo ni nyina boja ye last days are dangerous in teacher say obi amiana probom ye also chechire mu ye wo chire they also wawu mu tese mu dwesam ama Ghana for tiase eto abade ma no soso no wono mo eye na okwa MPP amanyuko no mu a Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia odi MPP amanyuko no ma preba mpani adwafe ne na wotwemienu aproba wode eba sentimentama se no wotoa so a eye enuada wokọ mpesua ba miensa so kokwada so abato mpesua so ekọ atwema kwa aguma abato mpesua so ebewie wo bantma abato mpesua so no se ne bosa wode ema Ghana mabuno se sodonfo ye na dom amana ba bedi ade ese mampani a de geta training ho nsensem wode ebema mrante ne maba wa no wose obeye dodo wose nese ye kan ye ni akwa amama bi tisa America nom Canada Singapore ni amama ya eno manyo mo hotam no a abrante esisu wo manimu a ene wantima nko school kura anu akira enam abafu nimde ntete ya ye de emo mo fira hyase enti no etese de kura no a wo ya na ewo bibi kakra obekutakutam no wadi di hu a kosi setwedi ampo nkrompo beto nsa frɛ no a wato nsa e de afrɛ no se saa hyehye ne bi na ode bɔ mayimu a benam so ma mrantem pempem akiri pempem anya so mfaso ne nam so aboa omayi Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne nsɛm de tu dwa kakra eni
Chogoi ye pese mamuru omunya digital skills and then we are singing I call digital only digital skills are onye juma enti me pesa yenya digital skills ye be training at least 1 million youth in digital skills who are digital skills are who bet ma kwada so ha na uye juma ewo America ewo Canada ewo Singapore ewo UK na uji dollars ewo higher enti ye be mamu training Mamu training. 5,000 youth from Kwadasu constituency. 5,000. Now Mamu training in digital skills. Now we across all the country, all the world. Chogwe.
Observe nti reme da ni ranwa na se no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia woni di wosono koguko MPP amanyuku ni maprema mpani adwafi abato no no chese bebi awiase nyina de na nekire ene digital asem ya nti no ene no soso de asi nani so a adehye wo kwada so ene omamu ni nyina ebenya mu chefa na omo enya santete ebie
na kana mampanyi ye John Dramani Mahama ono so ebontoa ewo magana emu na kwantomra na ode ne nto obono akwakopie mu awatoye tifedo mantamu na wode akwakoto dwa atrose sakoba no se wo mamma no ya se to skirt and blouse Sunday 2020 no ye no a ebe ha dwene pa ekoba no sa no wanhwe bia na wono no babetena konyansa mampanyina na mpontu nyuma na nioma hodo bia obahye ne bedama se wode beboa amagana konkan ya tumpon wono Sadia ni nyina ate adia kachi na wasa sadia no ye kana skirt and blouse no ayana pempi no na emwa mo mai enkonkan sanse koba no se majority no akwakwai opposition fo se MPP fo a womu momo ba ko de tia aban no nyuma bia ye ode beba aba top no so awomrahye bedwafie ne sa no ntene na wo sra Ghana fo se womoto aba no de ama no ye John Dramani Mahama no dia ne na NDC ni bia da wogina se mrahye odwani no womo hwe na wom tintim emfama no
eda no duru ha ye ba mo abato krata na eno ane se mo behwe sa chinie ya mo hu wo flag kitwe so se mo hwe sa chinie abato krata no so ye nchiro number bia wo so ento ko na ko hwe 8 a wo hu se ya chiro 8 wo so eno ane se wo fa krata na hwe sa chinie ento hu chinie na do sabo ink no ye jai ekwan won chen eho na ode wo kokromoti ne beti wo wi anu apapa wonsa ne yie na wo ansa no afa bato krata no abobo so anya ne sa na ink no wo ye na osa ko kan krata na ebesa team baby foforo na omu bie no mu hu se wonsa na team baby mienu a na chese wo de na sei entemo sha no so mon papa mukokromoti no na wo ansa na mafa krata no na mabukam enti saa ne ebe no yem skirt and blouse dia ewo yakwan mu yem skirt and blouse dia wo yakwan mu mako baby bebre ama ya tese before omonim se JM and the bidding could him Yamia Darma, our presidential elections to move. And to Omo na Omo Kache, a man for say, oh, President in said JM afa. And so Parliament there, yes, to mine. Baby, me and Dadamo. I was say, Motoma Minya Unkwa, our Janahi. If you say, and some are king na dadia so eba contomra queen a contomra call body queen contomra call se juro queen ye ka say ye be ya I just ye call mensa bedroom
I was your way kana mapanyi John Dramani Mahama na wosu so akira Ghana force se ye kotoa skirt and blouse no ye hwe ne yanto bio na mmom yantoma no na ne mra hye odwafo a won mo gina no so ye ntintim ma won
ye mfa mo Freeman penida da John Dramani Mahama gunja de tikonkro tejatangma so prosoro we de ne NDC amanyuku na tena ye mfa mo enko NPP amanyuku no mo bio Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia se ne ye de to mo nim no na probo e wa sentimentama sei na wotwemienu mu a ena odie se ye ne mo ka sei wakakopie ni wadubiase abaton pesia so na yatete so ne asofo imam nom ni alaji fo ehia wo cheche ni tiri mo pone ni nsusuyum de akire unum na eho na asofo pani a woda eye Living Life International Church ya no ewo ni wadubiase Apostle David Omaniafum ebo Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Baso na mampeni na Rudanko Akufo-Addo so no oda na se akukuduro kwan so a omo edi free SH se ba ye no nyamie nim ne bonsamatiko aboa pa emene asofo ne nsoro kra no omo wan ha wonum kakra e se kane no na nke ye bie suku se ye aba tan ya omba begu asofo so ebe pe suku fees e de nkwala ko suku na nya sanketo apostle adansi odi ye fa free SH so ne
papa chama muito é uma pá eu não sei Cristo for de me não aquele papa me deixa para mas nada uma me uma torre uma Cristo for só foi uma torre because now you a little bit doubt about the religion differences but papa me say obedi ọmọ nti Obama used to for any Muslim and say papa ba so ama ye kuma atoye ye Obama di gale ni say de na ye hwehwe a Christopher na so for we let free so especially say senior high school free in fact aboy na so for be here to go to school, SS of 4 so, but Yamia do one another woman. Only to be a place at your mind. It's Yamia Chow, and Apostle can say, oh, Yamia, my name is a mission of
for Apostle David Omane Efum Yesofo Penia or that Living Life International Church Yano Ewo Niwe Dubiase ena yetene nkanti we yensiemu Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia asofo imam fone jese ekuku ahodo nyamesomfeku ahodo no eye wo adubiase no kwamre du ena sienemo ka sei eja Vice President tua na watiemu na probo nyinamo miyenko ne nkyeye na yekohwese ne aprobo no esi eko eja kwamie ma han som na ebo enkomo sesei adubiase fine ena mura sesei
media mama na was say the already kan abomo no ene anopai abra media doctor esi bono yane na nam say the already kan aka no anopai yano ene new edibiase empotem ha ene sabe yedu ewe MPP bi mu na obedu kromo ma wutumu se koneni efuntu afra nam so na edikan no yebo ni anan edikoduru praso ya dance praso na ho na asofo a ene nananom na ife imam ahodo a omu kabo mu no doctor ene omu ehia wodi nkomo se da oye no ehia wo mu a nsema ahodo a opese onam so no de ebedi omampeni no eno ene ya not otare to omanim no wi a wasra omu mpaebo ene omadum se omu ano no nyankopon so enyi nechi na entumi emra so enimu ena sofo yira afun edi tu gese free citizens nam ono ene niwura na Rudanko Akufo-Addo so ema ne ba ye no yade a ebeyi wo haw ne dadwiri pa na free wo mo so sense ono oyo so pon no teda na no wo faase mu na nanom ni nye nkuma no mu ewie school a na no wo faase fu wi a na ni nwa mal mu so mu guri so eri na so we ne ba ye no eyi o haw e de free so mpo asofo nkaya a mo kan ho no dodo na omo so etumi o haw we o ma free mu a ene omo titire omo nsa omo tubi du hu dia so omo de ye enu echi na ono so obetre adumu ede ma ahemfo a omo mpetu mo gya se hini ede ma praso ahadmo na osei Japan ono so na ono ojinamu ede ma na mo so harum asem koya na so de to se mpo dia ekodu no na omampani abedi achi hie se nka yebatu so abakura no anu se nka yede du ho no a yepega nsa nka yedi aban no edi amane se won to so no nkure nim eti we ni yensem na nanom kan brekwa na no imam ahodo se omo ba yenso edi to so ba ko nemu omo de asem ba ko so edi to je se omo ehia se nka islamic school bi ebetumi aba mpotem ha ma omo so ehu atomo san se sabia ne alaji abayi de dat se utumi so omo so behia se Quran na se karatu no omo so utumi sio bi ma eno so etumi eyi aduma eno ne nsem a ekohie me ke se de ade a oma penya ba de kire woni dwabo anase dwabo a oba ahimfie mpirifo ho wi a okobo no montim no afei na woni party members ene mpirifo mo ha egusu asabu ya mekese eno so ensem no ekoso de ewo hanumanti ye free hanuma ye di yeni ebetre adanse from na ene mpotemo na de ho bia so no yetumi ama amanfo hu de kwaso ntia na de 11 a amampene be de chire oba asante mantemo na pro oba wo no ene de bia ye de nam ene be bia kokodu enu anyuma de bebi ano besu bia no ye ba manfo ahu dia ekoso ba ne nam a entobon ekoso e wa sentiment ngwa no
yo bra kwa me ye da sepa buzianfo ye kutie bese for a professional concern ne kwam redu ena ye ko ne nchen se ye no on de wo so makro pa nyakopon ye na dom na obidura na baso bo e wo kuku abuto media mano ya no age na ke se wo de apebibi anom e de atene breso buzianfo kwam redu nchen ena ye ko ye
Ayera John Dramani Mahama wonu susu ade ade asabia no no wonemu ni nyina no ya campaign kro ya sade ye nema panya be de kire na mu no na ewo no so de akwakoto dwa ahwe se de mampanyi na do wona be de kire ni mu a ana se ombedru ba bia no maye wo mu mfanyini ana so mu honyini de ase wono ya statue na ene kura de aba mampanyi na do so ana se afia kwanta regional hospital ayarosabia ye nya nwieye na ye statue kunkunfa de si wonom sa mansa nyina mehwe mampanyi na do ena ti akonya so wose we sa se we kura ne kanie na nka wono no ye John Dramani Mahama no sanka ya ka Ghana fo ka se adwuma bia obeye bia na wose ye statue sin cha dia ena nka o mai kura kenya ba bi fie na ntia sa se mpuntu nyuma wa baba ye e wo ma Ghana mu no enya no bi ni kura nam so nti wo ka de akere mampanyi na do ena be de akere se nye de hianie de Ghana fo hwehwe ena se ya somba dua yi ebenya ba bia da na enya aduane enso adie
wa ene se statue ye ko a normal kosi statue nipa onya free aban mu e se wo free aban mu na enkofo kai wejuma pa na omuka so omo bo abaso ni akosi statue amao enso onya nkoe ena oko wa o papa o pa o statue huntoma ezu na sani eno ene akamede ye ka se me fa me statue nkosi baby amaye ejuma pa bia ene akata mahabo me de ba ko besi o aka kotuko airport terminal 3 me de ba ko besi o aka University of Ghana Medical Center me de ba ko besi o aka Kwame Nkrumah interchange me de ba ko besi o aka Kaswa interchange me de ba ko besi o aka Kejetia market me de ba ko besi o aka obehu me statue of Ghana hanyina and so we baby or this statue no ko see ya enjuma oya wo ho nyina oye hospital a omudi ko see hospital dey name ye see ye interchange na ye see no China for no ye Takrade market settle ejano ye e kwai no po ni run about a statue ni season no ye ezu omo de baby omo say edru no eye omo ko ni embebo ni aka no ho bai
I was away ya John Dramani Mahama and watch a sababia mampanyi na don na be de chire one masa Ghana kwakodu na ye mo fancy hey na de aka no omebo ho
na ne yere soso e wa santemantema se ma Melodina Mahama mama ni tua se woni mampani dada John Dramani Mahama ne da boom sori boom didi boom dware boom ye bibia boom so hu ne twotwom twa na hwede abna pa ne dofo sweetate no na ono soso wa santemantema se enra oko yura krobia sante kotoko hine na so kwa sante hima na so ekokotiae ma chesa mamre ni amane ye kwa so no wo ye se ne niema sitie pepepe no de atoga se de ye nyina enim no afi so no ne kuno eba na so aba besre yen si emfatumi mano no medi o man so na de omasai Ghana akwakoduru no omebo ho ban na kakra no aka no ona da no a mo minor de hye enya so mfaso no minor emfa no ntoba papa infra no besre se akadam ye kwakoto abai amamfo ntoaba emfa ma mampani da John Dramani Mahama ne ani samanyuku no na nkunim afiwe nko de asanteman sisa ne nsakakra
Dramani Mahama ojina enti me ba ha ono ani di share John Dramani Mahama ojina elections bi na was say me so me ba na me ba me na afi na me mani hu ade eda yanim na odimpaibo eni ni nhira edi echi enti me ba ya me ba be sra na ni nhira ne dimpaibo eni me person hu say ye ni so me do odoe ye ni so pa enti no me ba ya me ba be sra no kwan sem person mi wura dwom na me ne ma no ekokasa na omuso eta me kunachi na odinku nima no be hu no habie enti me ba ya ye nchianko a
Observe nti we ye ayema Melodina Mahama ena yete ninken
electoral commission dwumako no ade atudwa e kire se wo hwe bebremu anu pa wo mu nisa so ba bia numri an anu ane wonom wo kire mu se enayi no won mo dwumadi a won mo di omomoden bone eto ho acha no edan so papa e wo Ghana yabakose mu obibiman ebiatumi akanyen Dr. Eric Bosman Asari wano ye deputy chairperson Adima Electoral Commission and one central for din komo ya no wo kire mu se nei CDD Ghana krampo won ma ye ehwemu bi di ababa to dwa ama Ghana fo binum krampo sesa se Electoral Commission no wontumi nyina faako enyina finfini papa se ne Ghana fo rehwe no no ewomu anase wo chia no wo ko benkum ewomu anase wa bani fa no se da bi ebibre mu kura no se ye kan Electoral Commission we mu de ne de omu dan so kura I was a woman, Electoral Commission, Dr. Bosman Asari. Nene no yababo diamamona yet yen nene wankasa. Sanya yo mummy
to jump onto that bandwagon because I don't know the people they ask. But again, my point is that you talk about the quality of elections in Africa. Ghana is one of the best in the continent. Ghana is one of the best in the business. So regarding this forensic audit issue you just mentioned, you remember as soon as we had a meeting publicly, which was televised nationally, all Ghanaians saw that the EC had nothing to hide. And since we finished that meeting, there have been no calls for any forensic audit, an indication that the EC has demonstrated a lot of competence, a lot of goodwill, which I believe that many countries, election management bodies are even looking up to us. So I think that people may make a lot of noises about the work of the Electoral Commission. But when you look at the processes we have put in place, everything we do, we don't do it in isolation. We do it with the political parties. The printing you just mentioned, you go to the printing houses, the political parties are there 24/7. When we are transporting the ballots, the political parties are there. When we send the ballots to the regional police armories, the political parties put their seals. When we are even destroying the waste materials at the printing houses, the political parties are there, they sign off. So everything is being done. So I think that when this reports, etc., come out, maybe it's more about some people who were sampled and they either you undersampled some people or you oversampled some people. But
Dr. Eric Bosman Asari woko Electoral Commission akachia wana panyipa be de kire ya ohono
Ura Hassan Yarega soso no wo kan tamadinsi awi abuagusu akotafre na batwe sese Nyankopon ye na dom na se December boso me de toso nso abato ayebo apoyen wakwa akoto alezi ebutu amiamu yi akwa akoto no se Ghana foto man bum e de man bedi mampeni na wo oma minister anase bi oma post wona bemo na ye wadwene se odi sika na ekogro bedamase akwa girlfriend semu a so wachi wa mu akwa akodem eye before so no de ade an ni chiri katasehye dream de kankan ne proya ase aban bi aba no hwe ne trasa no so de odumfo ye na doma na bedi wo man yi so a obi bi obedi sika obedem
that I shall never ever be corrupt in my lifetime as president, as father, as young man, and as any person in Ghana. And I want to pledge to you, all of you, when I become president, the first day I'm going to sleep in the prison. And that is a sign that anybody who is caught will follow there. as president, I am going to sleep in the cell. And that is a signal that you will never, as president, I am going to, as president, I am going to sleep in the cell. And that is a signal will follow there. As president, I am going to sleep in the cell. And that is a signal that you will never ever be favored when you are caught under my leadership.
Okay.
Let's be serious.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
For Ora Hassan Yaregani yetene nkano so no amampene kura no anso no bedi mampene obeko police so no am ya chichire ne kakra to no ahwe se ne ehositi enti e basa no a wono no wani no wadi bi ejo adwene se wo fo na chia kwako di sika no a ene wo kura de kese nse wo mu ton kura no na kese o da mo otufu ansem akusinum ne hamle ye de wakọ akoto na dantuntum ne musa ne ngina e katase shetu a opese otu asentia.
Na special prosecutor ne office ba kwa mampanyi na dobatna kunya sui wo pawo yesane yabaya enwo dwumade nyina ba kwa kata sapro ye dwum de wo mo nam kana chichie kwa so na won mo hwie Ghana sika de gu won botomu no emra ne ba chiche won mo mako na fe ne won modie na ye ramat na amedu won ne panyi pa yo di kan batna kunya so ane papa kunya wo batna so apɛ no se da bi ne to hyehye no sane ya ne omasi bi ka kɔ no won hyada ntiase nam so nti na de obɛya adwuma ne biem kura ya so so a enei owura kisi ajabe won na ba batna so a wo ratoto nioma na special prosecutor na ka sei wo kire mu se nei se wo hwe ne office no pa no a wo ma gare yen anti corruption law so emra frenchem ya ye beto de akon ti asa kata hye proye no sanse akade na nioma bu ma won mu hia enne bepem na won santo minka enti ama adwuma no ne kon no ya dan de ama won pa wose ade achi ade sese Ghana fo bo won so bu anie na so aganya won mu a ekwan yon befa so mbeko ne mra wo mo de ba ye adwuma no sa de no na ya ka chi ama ne Ghana fo atwe ya no de si won so eya won sa Oro Samuel Apia Daku where Director of Strategy, Evaluation and Communication at the Mass Special Prosecutor, Ebra one and some truck focus, ye a one cramante mujmedia shronkwa, na elcosono, and open pay. What on your medicine?
We talk about one last thing, which is also dear to my heart, the Conduct of Public Officers Bill. Sometimes I say that Ghana is a country that we have so many laws, but we don't have efficient laws. For me, from the Office of the Special Prosecutor and as a lawyer, I'm happy we have not passed the Conduct of Public Officers Bill, although I'm in the anti-corruption business, because as it stands now, if we pass it, it will become another white elephant. Let me tell you two critical things. We are in this country, we are worried and said that the Attorney General is sometimes conflicted and unable to prosecute his own. That's why we came up with the Office of the Special Prosecutor. But all the offenses under the Conduct of Public Officers Bill will go to the Attorney General. Remember, when it started, there was no OSP at play. So it ought to be amended so that many of the offenses that fall under corruption would then fall under the OSP. Other than that, if we are worried that the attorney, you give me a little second. If we are worried about that, it will not work. Also, the law as it stands now is piecemeal. Even when you talk about gifts, there is no ceiling. But we know in the UK and other places, an MP cannot take, say, a gift beyond £300. In Ghana's Conduct of Public Officers Bill, there is no ceiling. So the law says that don't take a gift that is likely to influence your decision. I can say that if you didn't give me a Lamborghini, it will not influence my decision.
I was your Samuel Apia Daku, Director of Strategy, the Mass Special Prosecutor, Nene and Yokuti.
Yeah, the more Congomensiamo Kakana, private schools are what Ghana in a bufu, almost a binding Shibia by a CFN 30% kuta, Ayani, the mama, just say a bind sukusuno, Sananu ya, yes, he said, the Yenny Padas and in the Dem Quadane Betoto, Suku, Hodo, Mobile Conwa, yes, a computer, computer, and obey Sadiano, yes, a bind suku noa, and only a GSS, no, Yani, yes, Suku. Honomoa sa kwadane ko saito no shaban jesi na se bi otimi yi be 15 na wa uko international school no international uko yi sesia akwala no ko saito no shaban jesi no a e bi otimi yi 15 no ya no mu ni se so no susu nya kwan e ba we international school ni bia ke bia nko betima yi be 5 ana 2 and I said, yeah, we better be before. So says no crowd and nka wo no what bono no. E ji sa nkwada no so na ekwa akopre prempe college ho and I said bi opokuware and I said bi St. Louis ho a sa akwada no ye behwe no ansa na wa wo ko international no wo ma ba behwe wo. E na private schools no fee say sa de no so emwa emadu ba bia na di yimu e ba man sie no mo kasai o mo de krata akwa akomasra jemperimfo say sa de na da honom no emwa yen enti sra jemperimfo nhwem na wo mo entwem Ghana chese private schools nyina wo mo ekuo kese wo mayimu no opani oda no se de si chechensem mo e de kire ye ni.
When you have two wives, you must love the children of both wives equally, irrespective of which wife was the first wife or the second wife, irrespective of which of the two wives is your beloved and which one is your less loved wife. The Ministry of Education has two wives: public schools, private schools. So the children of these two systems must be equally loved and equally cared for. Dear media friends, permit me to elaborate on some issues regarding this year's BEC and the attendant placement issues. When WAEC released this year's BEC on 19th October 2024 and announced that the results of 149 schools were under investigation, little did we know that many innocent candidates from private schools will be unduly penalized. On suspicion that some candidates engaged in malpractices, their results were withheld. We believe WAEC could have done a more due diligence before withholding results of some of those schools. Few examples of the affected schools will suffice. Take the case of Candid Standard School in Bibiane and Bible School of Africa in the Upper East region, where the entire results of candidates were withheld on suspicion of malpractices, only for the results to be released recently without any adverse findings.
No Ghana private schools Ghana private schools president ya oda omano na yete no enkanu nto omede krata no akwa commission on human rights and administrative justice etwenity afre session agempem for se basa ne din yimu ba nto monhwehwem na se yebetwam a ene ne kire ya wo munyi san hyehye no emfa emfiri ho
na asoye shoma Ghana ngomasua wonsan so de abasa wanma hyehwehwemu ase adiafa emo maako basa empemaduonu mienu bags nko a ya yotetie se mo no wasai nanso so ya hwehwe de agu boto foforo mu a ya charema senior high school su se wanmo mom na nkoda no enkonkodi na sa hwehwemu ye ba ye rosam okojeto ablakwa ena de babatu dwa a kire se o magana ya da pa nanso ye na agu abantene ne yakoso ewo senior high school su mu eno no Ghana fomra metie na fa yan sebribi ama ban no aso ente eno aka ho bi amoma Ghana so ya show manyi ya nwoma so awonsan so aba monten so kire se asem no ane videos no ananam wono nyade on batena se na waye nhwehan amasa de we yakoso enam so nti ba bi afiri ba ye no wo ba wose mra batumi ni woni akoro adiye papa na asoye no panyepa yo kasa de ma wonom owura kwase kwachen ana ne nsantwofo kasa ya wo cha se won ma hyenhwemu ase eye se ni pa bibire bi adaye bebo no emra de enne bedi
asem no nje enra ane ina chene from nje beni okuje travel akwa me de in the first place we ka say I had an answer for the concerns about raising me de e be susu say e bia na papem no oye dey o hwehwe ko ba say ejale ho asem de say yakwachi ba bi say the quality has been compromised a hardring ntie mo ntungu asem aka no that em de can say we take it as a very serious allegation. And that's more sabi Jafano on the light hand to prayer. And now a very serious allegation. Ya papa waka ya susani ya family dear. Na the can say and no man it can also come say investigations into it because be a proof. Asem waka yano krese yano kreno. Jumu enka. Ministry of Education yankasano. Yenji say yemono yenfa enuane enkuskus. Initial to me, almost to me, no, yeah, the buffer stock, like GCS, and no, I fair buffer stock for
afraid GCS for. Our sir, a dear boy in relation to our supplies, the letters about first stock or some locker. Just one money my response. Once my country, I launch it, investigations into it. But let me say, the only way to pan say a brute, Sebia brute, Sebianado. Say, as some penny kind and a crampona, official and formally, yeah, complaint of a Korebuko secondary school city, Tiana, Sibia, Yamushi, Tia, the Nukana, Menimuya, the whole say, as Papa. I work for a school for the Ghana for you, and now receive more. You say, as I'm with the mood, be cheap, na it me from Tia.
I was sorry upon your paro Casada Master, ya, a show man woman showing some so you're a quasi and not your tenant can 21st clinic. I a sciatica expert, ye can for the more be at it through. And will be a sciatica, ya dear, a how pa no. Quana doctor for and show what na sia chama or no. I will pay Peja or Shadia and Shadia. Shasa Obako, I 21st clinical. A doctor for na ben wonipa wadaje, so over to me a show now sciatica no what to see. Well, laboratory centers or massage and so be you become. Kumasia show Assist Junction or Boise Council Quarters. Accra, Dominic Sunyan and Kranzana Techiman. Telephone 0540 311 0540 311 311. Through Haba Center near Ayako Master Drew. A drop by Conshana Juma Ayaniam Yensa. A 2 Yadia Silko Konwayam team. Was a Kokalana Kaba, Danny Haba, Mr. Near Pedank on Sabaka, and now Fry 0546 107 107 0546 107 107. Express Group near Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Holland, and Waduba too far north Wako, Kumasi Asafule Baranabout, Accra, Kanashi First Light 0249 000448 0249 000448. Cloud internet in I was your open internet dear do Juma. Wi-Fi, digital security locks, one postina. I cloud in chain. What top high, 111 FM dish anymore. 0202 699 110 0202 699 110. Sompa chadianye. Dia won Sambia no de buy a bedje. I have one pire good so now dia ba. Wo kwon kranza Ghana Commercial Bank dining Sompa ho. Sunyano so by night market ana Kumase. Ya ben no motel. A mobile money so I human name 0598 559 802 0598 559 802. Edeni at one media, Amasa Blizzard 4-star. Mizo ana 5G yadamwa sense dasa semoba ye. Debia ya Christmas emuya de. Emuya kono sa ye nika. Yaso pa no de ahodi wom na ti apoya man kodaye man panyimfo a. Mizo ne 5G. Question for Assist Junction. Manager Tony your 21st clinic. Obanyando so pomu no watu anasa komia ya wodwa. Yato ano no de wonsa ebeka bi nyina wosoi. Na ho tawum rasisia.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketua Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibidro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eyayare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 next 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Prakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hia yi pa enye prakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa prakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ya prakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wadidi awie ubenya prakasa powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14. Prakasa powder. Aduane san yedru. FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum.
Hey sewa, me hu acho. Me na nanu me bisa ekra so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina me beko. Me nkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otedi mu sa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti akwantu ayefo opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour na se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi do wako Dubai, Qatar, and also South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafo Labor roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more how much show for ISO 055 555 00